Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Okra. Okra means bhindi. Capsicum. Capsicum means shimla mirch. Beetroot. Beetroot means chakandar. Cabbage. Cabbage means gobi. Potato. Potato means aloo. Pea. Pea means butter. Brinjal. Brinjal means bangan. Red chili. Red chili means lal mirch. Green chili. Green chili means hari mirch. Garlic. Garlic means lasan. Onion. Onion means pyaz. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Zucchini. Zucchini means tori. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means kaddu. Radish. Radish means mooli. Turnip. Turnip means shaljam. Sweet potato. Sweet potato means shakarkandi. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means karela. Lettuce. Lettuce means salad. Coriander. Coriander means dhania. Mint. Mint means podina. Cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. Carrot. Carrot means gajar. Broccoli. Broccoli गोभी की एक किस्म. Spinach. Spinach कहते हैं पालक को. Mushroom. Mushroom means खम्बी. French beans. French beans means फलियां. Corn. Corn means मकई. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means बंद गोभी.